Hi, explorers. Have you ever seen a beautiful butterfly and wished you could see how it grows its amazing wings? Well, today we are going to become butterfly parents and watch the magic happen. Raising a butterfly is one of the coolest science projects ever. We're going to follow the 4 big stages of the butterfly life cycle, called metamorphosis. It's like a total butterfly makeover. Step 1, get your caterpillar. The easiest way to start is with a hungry little caterpillar. The second stage, you can often find them munching away on their favorite plant. Pro tip, make sure you know what plant it's eating, because that's what it will need to keep munching. Step 2, build a cozy home. Caterpillars need a safe, clean place to live. Get a container with lots of air holes. Put the caterpillar in with the leaves from its favorite plant. We call this its host plant. Remember to add fresh leaves every day and gently clean out the old ones and any droppings, called frass. Step 3, the waiting game. Your caterpillar will get bigger and bigger, and then ... it will stop. It will find a spot, often hang upside down in a J shape, and then form a hard shell called a chrysalis or a cocoon for a moth. This is where the magic really happens. It is transforming inside. Step 4, a butterfly is born. After about 1 or 2 weeks, you'll see the chrysalis get clear, and then ... pop, a brand new butterfly will emerge. Its wings will be soft and wet at first. It will hang still for a few hours to pump a special fluid into its wings to make them strong and dry. Do not touch it during this time. Step 5, farewell, friend. Once the wings are totally dry and strong, it's time to say goodbye. Take your butterfly outside to a garden filled with flowers, which have nectar for it to drink. Open the container and let it fly free. You did it! You helped a tiny caterpillar become a magnificent butterfly. Raising a butterfly is a wonderful way to learn about nature. What kind of butterfly did you raise? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more amazing kids explorations. Bye for now and happy exploring. Music fades out.